A water solution of which compound will turn blue litmus red? So it gets rid of some of these. NaCl is neutral. NaOH is a strong base. We would expect the paper to be blue. The carbonate ion, CO3 2-, will act to make the solution more acidic. Remember, potassium doesn't hydrolyze, chlorine doesn't hydrolyze, and then NH4+ will act to make the solution more acidic. I think I misspoke here. So CO3 2-, if it's in water, then we get HCO3- and OH-, which is basic. So yeah, I misspoke there. That's basic. Okay, so now let's go back to the question here. For blue litmus paper to turn red, then we need an acidic solution. So the one that results in an acidic solution is B.